Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Mevish. I'm a dental professional and today I'll be discussing about the three most common mistakes that most of the patients make while cleaning teeth. The reason why I've planned to make a video on this is because every day I see so many patients following the same practices that they shouldn't be doing. So I thought I'll enlighten you about it so that you don't follow the same mistakes. Keep watching to know more. Before we move on, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Meet Your Teeth. We have created this platform with an aim to promote oral health and to provide you with all the information and knowledge that is required to have healthy teeth for life. Mistake number one, aggressive brushing. You heard it right, too much brushing is not good. Let me show you what happens when you aggressively brush your teeth. So if you're using a lot of force when you're brushing, it can lead to two main problems. Firstly, you may notice that the enamel is wearing off, causing depressions on the outer surface of the teeth. And once the enamel wears off, it exposes dentine, which is quite sensitive in nature. So particularly you may develop sensitivity towards hot or cold. And also you may feel that your teeth look discolored because dentine is quite yellowish in color. Secondly, if you're using a lot of force while brushing, even your gums might start shrinking. So that means it exposes the root surface, again, which is very sensitive. So shrinking gums can lead to gaps in between the teeth, which can again increase the chance of food lodgement. And of course, it's not very pleasing to look at. Do you want to know how to prevent this and what is the correct way of brushing your teeth? My advice is to use a softer bristle toothbrush, not a harder one. Never use a lot of force when you're brushing. Be a bit more gentle. Change your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months or sooner if the bristles are getting worn away, so that you're not tempted to use a lot of force when you're brushing. Never be obsessed to scrub your teeth. Instead, use a modified bars technique for brushing. Do you know what is a modified bars technique? Well, this is the most widely accepted ideal method of brushing your teeth. We did a video in the past in which we have very nicely demonstrated how you can brush your teeth in the correct manner. So please check out this link, which we have also attached in the description box below. Mistake number two, long-term use of chlorhexidine mouthwash, famously known as corsodyl. So chlorhexidine is antibacterial. It reduces the bacterial load in the mouth and also useful in treating gum disease. So that's why the dentist might recommend you to use a chlorhexidine mouthwash. But if you use it on a long run, let's say more than 2 weeks or so, it might lead to side effects such as it can cause brownish discoloration of your teeth. Moreover, it can also lead to taste disturbances. That's why it's not recommended to use chlorhexidine or corsodyl on a long run. What we advise is not to use corsodyl mouthwash or toothpaste for more than 2 weeks because antibacterial mouthwashes are not a replacement for toothbrushing, and moreover, it's not necessary to include corsodyl in your daily oral care routine. So once your gum disease is under control, we suggest to focus more on your toothbrushing, that is brush your teeth twice every day and clean in between the teeth by using interdental brushes or floss. And if you wish, you can use sodium fluoride mouthwash daily, but make sure that you're using it at a different time than brushing, and there should be a gap of at least 30 minutes between toothbrushing and mouthwash so that you're not losing the benefit of toothpaste. Finally, mistake number three, avoid rinsing your mouth with water after brushing. I know it sounds very weird for someone who is so used to rinsing the mouth with water, but what we suggest is after brushing, just spit out the excess toothpaste and try not to rinse your mouth with water, because if you're rinsing straight away, you're losing all the goodness of the toothpaste, and toothpaste contains a lot of fluoride, Let me tell you how fluoride helps. Fluoride is super important for your teeth. It prevents cavities, reverses early decay, strengthens the enamel, and eventually makes your teeth stronger. That's why it is so important that you retain the fluoride content in your mouth after brushing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. If yes, please share it with your family and friends to spread the word across so that even they can benefit from it and prevent such mistakes if they follow any while cleaning their teeth. And if you have any questions regarding your oral health, please feel free to get in touch with us on our various social media platforms and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get all the latest updates regarding our new videos. We will be back next time with another interesting topic. Until then, take care. Bye.